Hello, my friends. My name is Sophia. I'm 23 years old. I live in a small city. I work full-time in an office. I am a graphic designer. My job is creative and fun. I love my life. Today, I want to show you my daily routine. This means the simple things I do every day, from when I wake up until I go to sleep. This video is for everyone learning English. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use short, simple words. You will hear real English you can use every day. Are you ready? Let's start my day. My alarm clock rings at 7 o'clock in the morning. Beep, beep, beep. I am very sleepy. I turn off the alarm quickly. I do not stay in bed. I get up right away. I go to the window and open the curtains. I check the weather. It is cold today, so I need a warm coat. Now I go to the bathroom. First, I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel awake. Then I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I like a fresh, clean feeling. After that, I tie up my hair. I take a short shower. I use my favorite peach-smelling soap. My shower takes about 8 minutes. I dry my hair and body with a big towel. I go back to my bedroom. It's time to choose clothes. I work in an office, so I need to look smart. I choose black pants and a green sweater. I put on simple gold earrings. I wear black, flat shoes. They are comfortable. I look in the mirror and smile. I am ready to start. Now it is time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I am very hungry. First, I make a cup of tea. I love hot tea. For breakfast, I usually eat yogurt with granola. I also eat an apple. While I eat, I read a book. I do not check my phone during breakfast. Breakfast is quiet time for me. At 8 a.m., I am ready to leave. I leave my apartment. I live on the second floor. I walk down the stairs. My office is not far, about 15 minutes by subway. I walk to the subway station. I use my city card to pay. The subway arrives. It is very full. I have to stand. I listen to a podcast on my headphones. I like learning new facts on the way to work. I arrive at the office at 8:45 a.m. My workday starts at 9 a.m. I say hello to my team. My boss is Mr. Lee. He is very kind. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. First, I check my email. I have 5 new emails. I reply to the important ones. Then I start my design work. I use a special program on the computer. I create images for websites and social media. At 1 p.m., it is lunchtime. I go to the break room with my friend, Mark. We eat together every day. Today, I brought my lunch from home. I have a turkey sandwich and some grapes. Mark buys a bowl of hot soup. We talk about movies and news. Lunch is important for me to rest. After lunch, I go back to work. I have a meeting at 3 p.m. We talk about a new project. We need to be creative and plan new designs. My job is challenging but fun. I love solving problems. My workday ends at 5:30 p.m. I turn off my computer. I say goodbye to my team. I take the subway home. This time, the train is less crowded. I can get a seat. I feel a little tired. I arrive home at 6:30 p.m. First, I take off my shoes and coat. I change into comfortable clothes, like a big t-shirt and sweatpants. My feet feel happy. I cook dinner. I like simple food. Tonight, I make pasta with tomato sauce. It takes about 30 minutes to cook. I eat dinner while I watch TV. I like to watch travel shows. I dream about my next vacation. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. It is important to keep my apartment clean. At 8 p.m., I relax. I call my family. They live in another city. We talk for about 20 minutes. Then I study Spanish for 1 hour. I use an app on my phone. I want to visit Spain next year. At 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I put on hand cream. I choose my clothes for tomorrow. This saves time in the morning. I set my alarm clock for 7 a.m. Before sleeping, I read a magazine for 10 minutes. I like reading about fashion and art. At 11 p.m., I turn off the light. I close my eyes. It was a long day, but a good day. I am happy for what I learned and did today. So, my friends, what did we learn today? We learned how to talk about all the parts of a daily routine. Waking up, getting ready, going to work, eating meals, studying and relaxing, and finally, going to bed. These are all useful phrases you can use every day. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments below. Just type, I want to learn about blank next. For example, I want to learn about shopping in English next. Or, I want to learn about ordering food next. I read every comment. If many people ask for the same topic, I will make a video about it. If you liked this video, please like this video, subscribe to Chill and Fun English Learning, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for spending time with me today. Keep learning, keep trying, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night, and have a beautiful day.